what I used to mount the Mercedes wheels once they were drilled out from 12 millimeters to 14 millimeters to fit the 14 millimeter wheel studs. This is the original ball type curved wheel nut that I got from T3 Techniques, and you have to get them mail order. So locally I can only find 14 millimeter lug nuts that are a cone type, which is not curved. However, Brooks Auto specializes in Volkswagen Beetle parts, so they carry EMPI, and I found these adapters to adapt the cone type metric ball stud 60-degree taper. Here you can see how the stud on the right is converted to the ball shape for the Mercedes, similar to the proper small one on the left. Anyhow, those work fine. I tested them out and they fit well. So that's an option for mounting your Mercedes wheels or any wheels that require the ball stud when you're converting to different alloy wheels for the Vanagon. These are available much cheaper and locally.